Alex here with AlexErides. You're looking at the Soversky SL 4.0 45 mile per hour electric motorcycle scooter. I'll do a quick walk around before I go over the features. Got a lot of room in the trunk space right here. Got room for a passenger. Here's the foot pegs. You got your miles per hour, got your trip mileage, you got your battery indicator, battery percentage, speed modes 1, 2, or 3. 3 is the fastest. 1 you'll go about 20 miles per hour, 2 you'll go 20 to 32, 3 you'll go about 32 to 45 miles per hour. Over here you got your lights, speed mode switch 1, 2, and 3, your voltage, battery voltage, around 52 volts, so I would say you'll need to charge it again. Just to be safe, you got the reverse button right here. You hold down reverse and you hit the throttle to go. The motorcycle won't go if the kickstand is down. That's the safety feature. Over here to the left, we got the low beams, high beams, left turn signal, right turn signal, and a horn. And you got your left mirror and the right mirror. The 45 mile per hour Soversky SL 4.0 with a 4,000 watt rear motor. It's very powerful.